Okay, this is a 1941 Chevrolet Delux, owned by Art. And we're going to review what needs to be done to get this vehicle repaired properly per international restoration standards. Primary issue is that the rear axle came off and has damaged the rear quarter panels, and the question is how do we affect the repair on this to make this a correct repair that would pass the manufacturer's specifications on the products that we're going to be using, i.e. the paint, etc. So there's basic standards on how to do this. And the issue is, where are we stopping with this car? That's our main concern at this moment. So the quarter panel is, and the way the car this is made is that it's a contiguous piece. So we have this that goes down the rocker and up into this front fender. It also then goes up and around and down onto this side. In order to blend this paint into the panel over here, we're gonna have to paint this panel basically, because we're painting this panel. Next thing is, again, to get a bit more up close here, you can see this becomes one contiguous piece, then wraps up under this piece here, which then goes up into the A-pillar, down to the other A-pillar, across the cowl. Again, all one contiguous piece. So we're wrapping literally around the front of the car here, down and along the front apron, one contiguous piece, across and over. As you can see, it's one contiguous piece. There's no seam here. One contiguous piece again. Same, of course, on the side. It comes around to the rocker. So then, of course, we need to blend into the hood and blend into the doors. So on your typical newer car, the pieces come off, it's easy to have a place to stop. And in this car, that's not the way they make them. If you have any questions regarding the methodology of painting this vehicle to effect the repairs necessary to, again, international restoration standards, you can reach us at 669-356-4777. Thank you.